Hey, Titan cameraman. Yes, Titan TV man. Do you ever wonder who would win between me and you? I would absolutely clap your ass. No way. My prime is way stronger. No, you overconfident bitch. That's it, get ready to fucking die. Bring it on. You motherfucker. Haha. I told you I was strong. I'm back, bitch. I'm gonna beat your ass again. You will pay. Even if you get upgraded, I'm still going to beat you.